In this Bluehost tutorial video, I'm going to be going over how to buy domain and hosting from Bluehost step by step from start to finish. I'll be providing you with a Bluehost discount so you can save money on your Bluehost domain name and web hosting purchase. You will get up to 83% off Bluehost hosting plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the Bluehost web hosting tutorial going over how to buy domain and hosting from Bluehost. The first thing you want to do to buy domain and hosting from Bluehost is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Bluehost, and so you can take advantage of the Bluehost discount by getting up to 83% off plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. You're not receiving commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Bluehost web hosting page. Click the View Plans button. You'll now be on the Bluehost Plans page. You'll see 4 different plans you can choose from: the Basic, Choice Plus, Online Store, and Pro plan. The Basic plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes NVMe storage, 100 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 40,000 visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. The Choice Plus plan comes with phone support, daily website backups free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. The Online Store plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack and WooCommerce auto install. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like store analytics, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift card creation, wish list, customer account customization, and sales and promotions builder by WonderCart. Something I want to know is you can have an e-commerce site with the Basic, Choice Plus, or Pro plan as well. You just want to get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost online store plan provides. The Pro plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, 1,000 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month, along with everything the Choice Plus plan comes with. I'm going to choose the Basic plan for this tutorial. Once you decide on a plan to choose, click the Select button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. You can type in and search available domains in the search field. If you click from the drop-down, where you see .com, you can choose the domain extension your domain name ends in. If you already own a domain name, you can enter it in where it says, I want to use a domain I already own. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Choose Domain Later link, and you can choose your free domain name at a later date in the Bluehost dashboard. You'll see Add Domain Privacy Plus Protection. I highly recommend keeping this selected, as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public whois database, as domain names are regulated. If you select Domain Privacy Plus Protection, it'll show Bluehost default contact information instead of yours. You'll now be on the cart page. You'll see your hosting plan here. If you click from the drop-down, you can select a term for your web hosting purchase. You get the lowest pricing with the 12-month term. You'll see the add-ons here. If you don't want any of them, you can click the trash can icon to remove them. Professional email is if you want an email address ending in your domain name with a custom inbox, added security for your email, your contacts and calendars to sync, Drive to share files, create and manage tasks, and to create documents from a full suite of tools. I do want to note that Bluehost does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features provided by Professional Email. Content Creator Solution is an add-on that is an all-in-one toolkit to monetize your website. It comes with features such as email marketing, SEO optimization, memberships, subscriptions, and secure payment gateways, all while saving $600 annually. Includes PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Yoast SEO, and more. Google Workspace provides you with an email address ending in your domain name along with other features provided by Google Workspace, such as Gmail, Calendar, Chat, Cloud Storage with Drive, video conferencing with me, and many more Google Workspace features. I do want to note that Bluehost does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features with Google Workspace. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. Bluehost will now email you your Bluehost receipt. You'll be taken to a thank you for your purchase page while your hosting account is loaded. That's all there is to it. That is my Bluehost tutorial on how to buy domain and hosting from Bluehost. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.